How to install the tube of VersaFlex SL60. So VersaFlex SL60 is our go-to rapid curing polyurea joint filler. It's 100% solids, it's flexible. We use it to fill random cracks, contraction joints, and control joints. You can install this material in temperatures from minus 20 degrees to 130 degrees. And in this video, I'm just going to show you how to prep and install one tube. We're going to show a fake joint that runs through a patch that we installed back in our warehouse. So we've marked either side of the patch to note where the joint runs through. So we'll snap a line and use the crack saw to cut it out. Typically we use a 1/4 inch wide by 1/2 inch deep crack saw. It's important to have it clean and dry, and being dry is really important. If there's any moisture in the joint, you'll actually see the polyurea react and bubble up. To install VersaFlex, you'll need a 600 milliliter dual cartridge caulk gun. And before you install the material, you want to acclimate it to at least room temperature. If you can get it in a warm room, 80 or 90 degrees, that'll help the material flow out more evenly. So begin by shaking the cartridge vigorously for about a minute. After shaking, remove the top cap nut. There'll be a penny there that holds down 2 more caps for the A and B sides. Take those off. And then take the static mixing tube, slide it through that top nut, and then attach back onto the tubes tightly. So now bring the cartridge and a container with you over to the joint, and you'll want to pump about the first 5 or 6 squeezes into this container, giving that material a chance to thoroughly mix in the static mixing tube. Put the tip down into the joint and then just start evenly dispensing the material, just overfilled. With a 1/4 inch by 1/2 inch cut, you'll get about 24 lineal feet per tube. And depending on what kind of crack that you're filling, you can attempt to try to fill it to flush. It's a little bit of more delicate operation, but can be done. If you can, it's quicker and easier just to overfill it a little bit and then just shave it smooth after it's cured out. So at room temperature, you'll let this cure for about 20 minutes. You want to test it before you shave it. In order to test it, just slowly start with your trowel, and if you notice that the material is coming out, give it a little bit longer and just shave it smooth. Now if you have more than one area to fill, make sure you bring along that container and continue to pump the material into that container, or else it'll freeze up inside that mixing tube. Typically we would follow this up with applying our Indue UTC urethane top coat. You can follow the link at the end of this video to see how to do that. If you'd like to see one of our other how-to videos, click on one of these links or give us a call at 1-800-577-6213 or check us out at indue.com.